The low-pressure gas switch is typically mounted on or adjacent to the gas valve assembly and looks like a small disc or round sensor with 1 or 2 thin wires attached. Locate the switch by following the gas piping to the gas valve and nearby control block. The switch is often secured to the valve body or a nearby bracket and sits in the low-pressure tap or sensing line. It usually has a circular or disc-shaped housing about the size of a coin and 1 or 2 insulated conductors that connect to the furnace or furnace control board. To test it safely, first turn off power to the appliance and close the gas supply if you will be disconnecting anything. Then use a continuity tester or multimeter set to ohms across the switch terminals while inducing the operating pressure condition, or carefully press the sensing diaphragm if accessible to observe a change in continuity. If the switch is inline in a sensing tube, you may see a small nipple where the tube attaches. Check that tube for blockages, kinks, or oil and moisture, which can keep the switch from sensing correctly. When replacing, match the pressure set point and electrical ratings exactly to the original part and use proper fittings and thread sealer suitable for gas applications. Tighten to the manufacturer torque and retest for proper operation and gas tightness. Always consult the equipment service manual for the exact schematic, terminal labeling, and safe access procedures before performing any diagnostic or replacement work. Common mistakes include assuming the round sensor is an electrical ground or unrelated component, which leads to unnecessary replacement. Inspect wiring and labeling and verify function with a meter before swapping the part. Another issue is mistaking a pilot safety or flow switch for the low-pressure gas switch. Compare physical location near the gas valve and confirm whether it senses pressure in a tube or monitors flame or flow to avoid swapping unrelated components. A frequent oversight is neglecting the sensing tube or port, which can be clogged with condensate or debris and will mimic switch failure. Clear or replace the tube and retest the switch before ordering parts. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like gas valve and switch troubleshooting and repair, and our site helps contractors find work by listing local project opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, wiring diagrams, and field experience to help identify and resolve HVAC component issues.